The F-Class is about giving the customer the best amount of space for its length. It's all about volume and refinement of detail, making it feel like a lovely place to be. Space was certainly the biggest driver for this project in terms of the objectives we wanted to set ourselves and the challenge we gave ourselves as a design team. We wanted it to feel like at least a 65-foot boat in a 58 package. Every little millimetre on the 58 is really considered to make sure that we've got something that feels really large and special for its size. The flybridge breaks convention for this size of boat. Historically, we would have put a wet bar after the helm seats, and what we actually did is move that aft to the back of the boat. We've also pushed the furniture out, really far outboard, all the way through the boat at the back of the flybridge. We've got then space for a large dining room table, we've got storage behind the seat also, and this really low swooping helm feature at the front. I think you could comfortably sit 6 people on that dining room table, but as a social occasion, you could have a couple of people sit forward, you could have 3 or 4 sat at the back, and a couple of people on the barbecue. All of those things combined makes it feel like a really big space. In a saloon of this size, on the port side aft, you would have the galley, and then on the right hand side you would normally have a sideboard. What we've actually managed to do is introduce a dinette seating area, so you can do inside dining on this boat. We've never done it on a boat of this size before, so that was a really big push, what we wanted to achieve. Moving forward, on the port side you've got a C-shaped sofa, and we have the option to put a seat in on the starboard side, so people can sit port and starboard and have a really sociable space in there. And then you go forward on the boat, on the foredeck. Again, the convention is kind of broken for a 58-foot boat, so this will see the introduction of 2 sun pads there and a little walkway, similar to what you would get on a much larger vessel. It's a really unique feature for a boat of this size. You would only ever see that on a boat at least 65 feet and above. The master stateroom on a boat of this size commonly would have a bathroom to the port or starboard side. What we've done on the 58 is we've actually introduced the bathroom aft of the stateroom bed. This created a full beam space at the back of the bed, which is the bathroom and the walk-in wardrobe area. That is really rare, if not completely unique to the 58. One of the most unique features of the 58 is that we have a mini beach club at the back of the boat. The top half of it is a big lid. This lifts up. You've got the option to have a nice cooking area in there. So that will be a sink, it'll be a tap, it'll be a barbecue. So that will be lovely to use. Then the back of the face has a big fold down. So that's a big hinging seat. Inside that aft locker also, there's storage for a sea bob. That pulls out. There's power sockets in there, there's a compressor that you can blow up your inflatable. So it's very much a lifestyle space. The F58 is super special. It is creating a boat that is beyond its means in terms of volume. I would say the level of refinement and evolution of this product is absolutely up there with the best we've done. I hope the customers think, wow, this is an amazing product. I want them to enjoy the attention to detail that we put into this boat to make it feel like a really lovely place to be.